Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Sony RX10 Mark V. Now it's almost been 10 years since the release of their last premium bridge camera, the RX10 Mark IV, and in that time technology has advanced so much. So I'm so excited to see what new features and advancements have been made to this camera compared to its predecessor, and also if any of those cool new features on the Alpha series have trickled their way down into the RX series. Now I don't have much time with this camera, so let's get going. The RX10 V features a 1-inch stacked 20.1 megapixel Exmor RS sensor and the Bionz XR processor, which has an integrated AI processing unit. And thanks to that, we get, for the first time in an RX model, advanced subject recognition for things like birds, planes, trains, animals, insects, and more, along with human pose estimation and an auto mode. Color reproduction has also been improved over the Mark IV thanks to that new processor, along with noise reduction at medium to high ISOs. The D-range optimizer has also been expanded up to level 8 to offer better handling when shooting in high contrast scenes, and we've got more shooting formats which now include HEIF and lossless compressed RAW to give more flexibility in post-production. If you're somebody that prefers to make all of their adjustments in camera, then you'll be pleased to know that there are tons of refinements that can be made to the in-camera creative looks, which also now include FL2 and FL3. We've got 30 frames per second continuous shooting, which has increased from the 24 frames per second on the Mark IV, and it's now blackout free, which is perfect for making sure you never miss the shot. The RX10 V features the same lens that's found on its predecessor, the Mark IV, which is the 24-600mm f2.4-4 lens, and this offers you a huge 25 times super telephoto zoom, which is going to be perfect for capturing everything from birds, wildlife, sports to landscapes and travel. It also offers excellent close-up performance too for subjects like flowers, insects and other macro-esque things. This camera also features a new XL focus area setting for greater flexibility, with its 575 AF phase points covering 70.6% of the frame. And for even more accuracy, you can also custom set the shape and size of your focusing area. Now, one of the features that I am really pleased to see on this camera, especially considering we've got that 30 frames per second shooting, is the continuous speed burst shooting mode. Now, this just means that if you're shooting things like wildlife or sports or anything where there's some fast action, you don't need to worry about filling your memory card up, because you can shoot at a slower frames per second. Maybe you could just be doing single shot, you can maybe in 10, and then as soon as that action is taking place, you can hit the speed boost button and it will instantly take you to 30 frames per second. So you're gonna capture the action without getting loads of wasted shots too. And this is something that I actually really enjoyed using on the A7 V and the A1 too. So I am super happy that it's here as well. When it comes to video, we have 4K 60 recording with full pixel readout and no cropping, 4K 120 with crop, and a ton of full HD recording options too, including 240p for up to 10 times slow motion. For those of you that like to shoot handheld, there is active mode image stabilization, and we also have auto framing, which is going to track your subject and could be particularly useful if you're a solo shooter who likes to record themselves. We've also got S-Cinetone, S-Log3 Gamma, and the ability to import up to 16 custom LUTs. There have been a lot of changes made internally, and Sony didn't stop there because they have also done some upgrades externally too. Now this is just from a usability point of view and to make the camera a bit more comfortable to use for prolonged periods of time, especially if you're shooting handheld. And they've actually taken a lot of inspiration from their Alpha series of cameras. So we've got the addition of that new top dial and a few more features too. We've got a larger and brighter viewfinder which also allows you to customize what shooting information gets displayed. And we've got a new 3-inch 3x2 tilt style touchscreen with vertical orientation display. There's all the ports you'd expect to see, including a super speed USB-C port and an upgrade to the battery, which is now the NP-FZ100. This is the same one that's found in the Alpha series, giving you better battery life compared to its predecessor. The new mode dial on the top allows for easier control between settings, and the camera is dust and moisture resistant too. The RX10 series has always been much loved, so it's fantastic to see a new addition to the lineup. And this certainly is a camera for those of you who are after something all-in-one. With that 1-inch sensor and big telephoto zoom range, it just gives you so much variety in what it is that you want to shoot. Whether it's just something that you want to be able to take on holiday with you or pack into your bag for days out. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that quick first look at the Sony RX10 V. Make sure you stay tuned for our follow-up video. But in the meantime, if you'd like to find out any more information on this camera, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.